Hello viewers, still on trigonometry. We are going to be finding the exact value of tan 75 degree. And so we have a solution. So we are to find tan 75 degree. Of course, before we find this, we have to establish the fact that tan 75 degree can also be written as tan into 45 degree plus 30 degree. Okay, this is the same way of this is can be expressed using this trigonometric identity, that tan into a plus b. Of course, there's a formula that controls this, so that we know that trigonometric identity of tan into a plus b is expressed as tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. So that is the identity we are going to be using to evaluate this question. Of course, you know that from this relationship, if I compare this to this, that our tan A, the value of A is 45 degree, and then the value of B is 30 degrees. So let's substitute that value. So we are going to be having tan, substituting it into this formula, tan 45 degree plus tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan 45 degree times tan 30 degree. Okay, so let's get our calculator and then we punch it and see what happens. So what is our tan 45? Tan 45 is equal to 1. So we have our tan 45 to be equal to 1. So we have equal to 1 plus tan 30. Tan 30 is root 3 over 3, so this will be 1 plus root 3 over 3. So we have this division, so this is divided by, this is 1 here, minus tan 45 is 1, we've done that, and times tan 30 is root 3 over 3. And so if we evaluate this, this will be equal to 1 plus root 3 over 3 all over 1 times this, so this will be 1 minus 1 times root 3 over 3 will give us root 3 over 3. So we are left with this now. So we have to work out things. So we have to find the LCM of both the numerator and that of the denominator. So considering the numerator, let's have a reciprocal here to be equal to 1, and then this one too, 1. So the LCM of the numerator will be 3, so we have 3. 3 divided by this one will be 3. The 3 times this one will give us 3. We have plus because of this plus. Then this 3 divided by this 3 will be 1. 1 times this 3 will give us root 3. So we are done with the numerator now. So we now come to the denominator divided. This is the division sign, which is the same thing here. So the LCM of the denominator of 1 and 3 is 3. So we write out the 3. Write out the 3. So we now have that 3 divided by this one will be 1. That 1 multiplying this 1 will give us, okay, let me So the LCM of this and this is 1. Is 3 rather, sorry, is 3. So we write out that 3 here. Now 3 divided by this one will be 3. If we multiply that 3, if we say 3 times 1 here, it will give us 3. Oh, this is okay. So 3 times 1 here will give us 3, and there is a minus, so we have minus. 3 into 3 here, that's 3 divided by 3 here is 1. 1 multiplying root 3 will give us root 3. So this will be equal to, you see, we can rewrite, this is the major, let me use red pen to indicate the major division sign. This is the major division sign, which is this. This is the one dividing this and this. So it's still this one that is dividing this and this. So the all of this can be rewritten this way. We can write it in this way. We can write it this way. So this can be expressed, the all of this divided by this can be expressed this way. Can be expressed as 3 plus root 3 divided by 3 divided by, because of this division sign, 3 minus root 3 all over 3. Yes, it can be expressed that way. So moving further, the all of this can be expressed this way too. We have 3 plus root 3 divided by 3. When we introduce this multiplication sign, the denominator here will go up and the numerator here will come down. So we have now have 3 over 3 minus root 3. Okay, so having done that, we can cancel out this. So if we cancel out this, we are going to be having, this is 1, this is 1. So this multiplying 1 will give us 3 plus root 3 all over. This one multiplying this one will give us 3 minus root 3. We can call this equation 1. Okay, so we make a mathematical statement now. We say multiply both the numerator and denominator of equation 1 by the conjugate of the denominator. Okay, this is sort, okay? It's an irrational number. So in order for us to rationalize it, it means we have to multiply both this numerator and denominator by the conjugate of this denominator. Now what that implies is, since it is negative here in the denominator, so we are going to be multiplying it by 3 plus root 2 over 3 plus root 2. But assuming it was positive here in the denominator, we have multiplied both the numerator and denominator by 3 plus root 3 over. So that is our minus rather. So since it is negative here, so we are going to be having 3 plus root 3 over 3 minus root 3. So now multiplying by the conjugate, because it is negative here, it will be multiplied by 3 plus root 3 over 3 plus root 3. Okay, we are multiplying by 3 plus root 3 because this one is minus here. But assuming it was plus, we will multiply by 3 minus root 3 over 3 minus root 3. So that's how to do it. So, having done that, we'll proceed. And so we need to, 3 times 3 will give us 9. 3 times root 3 will give us plus 3 root 3. Root 3 times 3 will give us plus 3 root 3. root 3 times root 3 will give us plus root 9. That is 3 times 3 is 9, so the root 9 divided by 3 here times 3 here will give us 3. Okay, sorry, 3 times 3 is 9. Now 3 again here times root 3 will give us is plus, okay, 3 going is plus, so plus root 3. Okay, 3 times root 3 will give us plus 3 root 3. So there's minus here, so we are considering, we are done with this times this, which gave us 9. This times this, of course there's plus here, so this gave us plus 3 root 3. So we are considering this one. Minus root 3 times 3 will give us minus that will give us minus 3 root 3, and then minus root 3 times root 3 will give us minus root 9. Okay, so we haven't gotten this now, we can proceed. So this will be equal to 9 plus 3 root 3 plus 3 root 3 will give us 3 plus 3 here is 6. Then we repeat the root 3. It will give us 6 root 3 plus root 9 is the same thing as square root of 9, which is 3. So divided by, this is 9 plus 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3 will cancel out. So it will be 9. We have 9 here minus root 9, which is the same thing as square root of 9, will be 3. So this will be equal to 9 plus 3 is 12. So we have 12 plus 6 root 3 divided by 9 minus 3 is 6. So you can say here 6 1, 6 here 2. So this will give you 2 plus 6 root 3. So that is your answer. Your answer will be 2 plus 6 root 3. So what this implies is that the exact value of tan 75 degree is 2 plus 6 root 3. Thank you.